Are you still sending static emails while your competitors get higher clicks with GIFs? Learn to add a GIF to any Klaviyo template in under 2 minutes. We'll start by dragging an image block into your template. Then select and upload your GIF file directly to Klaviyo. Click and drag the image block onto your template. Click Select Image to open the picker. Click Upload Image to switch to the Upload view. Then click Select Image to choose the GIF you just uploaded. Finally, click on Upload to confirm it all, and your GIF is in place. That's it. Happy emailing! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.